Hi everyone, my name is Yogesh and welcome back to my channel. Actually, this is my first vlog. Yesterday I thought that I should start vlogging and today I have started. And I have read one book also. Actually, I forgot the name. In that book, the author also said, whatever ideas come in your mind, just execute. Take action on these ideas. And that's why I have taken action. This vlogging idea yesterday came in my mind and today I have taken action. So what I want to tell you guys, whatever ideas come in your mind, just take action on this idea. And the author also said, who knows which idea will work for you. So whatever ideas come in your mind, take action on this idea. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, today I woke up at 8 a.m. and after that I brushed my teeth. But today I haven't taken tea. Do you know why? Because I stopped taking sugar. Actually, yesterday I have watched one video and the thumbnail was Stop Sugar for 21 days. And in that video, the person was saying when you stop sugar for 21 days, you will have a lot of benefits. Like you will lose your weight, your skin will glow, you will never have stress, you will never have diabetic problems. So there are a lot of benefits. And after watching this video, I decided to myself, I will stop sugar. And from yesterday, I have stopped taking sugar. So let's see after 21 days what changes will happen in my body. If you want, you can also take this challenge. And after 21 days, let me know in comment what kind of changes happened in your body. And guys, I want to show you the weather. The weather is so pleasant. Actually 15 minutes before, here has rained. So I will show you the weather. See, you can see the weather right now. The weather is so good. And right now also I am feeling so good while making this vlog. So that's it guys. I hope you liked this vlog. If you like this vlog, then let me know in comment. I will make more vlogging videos for you. We will meet soon. Till then, take care and bye everyone.